Wala bang pasensya? Or napipikon lagi? Or minsan, kahit may pasensya, pero minsan nauubos din. Paano ba makadevelop ng patience? Para sa yung episode na to. Namaskaram. Namaskaram, namaste, or namaskar is a Hindu greeting that says the light in me sees and acknowledges the light in you, or the God in me sees and acknowledges the God in you. My name is Marky Mendoza. Welcome to Reiki with Marky, and yet another meaningful episode here in our YouTube channel. But before anything else, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not forget to hit the bell button para laging updated in our upcoming episodes. Now, in today's episode here with Reiki with Marky, we're going to discuss how to develop patience. And kaya ko din ito ginawa kasi para maging reminder din ito para sa akin. Para lahat tayo mas maging pasensyoso pa. Now here, in this episode, I'm going to share 3 meaningful and easy tips. You know naman si Reiki with Marky, hindi natin pahihirapan ang sarili natin sa mga tips natin. So without further ado, let's go. Tip number 1, breathe and pause. Now this is something na alam kong napakadali lang pero nakakalimutan din natin gawin. Kapag nandyan yung opportunity para tayo ay mawalan ng pasensya or tayo ay mapikon, unang-una nating tatandaan ay dapat tayong huminga, hinga ng malalim. Huwag nating hahayaan na itong sitwasyon na to, sirain yung mga plano natin, sirain yung araw natin because tandaan nyo, marami tayong ginagawa sa buhay. Marami din tayong mga kailangang priorities na kailangan masunod in a day. And paano kung we are all fulfilling everything all at once, all at the same time, pressed with time, tapos, believe it or not, may mga gantong mangyayari and alam kong naramdaman mo. Now, I know this is something na medyo easier said and done, pero practicein muna natin and see how this is going to be very effective for you. Trust me, hinga lang, kapit lang. And huwag basta-basta papatol because number 2, be mindful. Kasi, the law of resonance, naalala nyo? Kung anong energy nilabas mo, babalik at babalik sa'yo. So kung pumatol ka, tapos pinatulan ka uli, magiging masaya pa ba tayo? Mas magkakaroon ng opportunity para lalong sumama ang loob, para lalo tayong mapikon, or lalong masira yung araw natin. Every single time na nandyan ng mga opportunity for us to choose either hate, anger, or to choose love, choose love. Choose kindness. This may be something na bago sa atin, but I'm telling you, napaka-rewarding ito pag ito ay nasunod natin. Because tip number 3, forgive and send love. Again, another easier said than done na tip. Pero I'm telling you, if you are someone na mas madaling piliin yung galit, mas madaling piliin yung mapikon or pagpatol, try mo na piliin ang pagmamahal, choose love, choose kindness, and see how good it feels after. Kasi pag pinatulan natin yung hate, anger, or even envy, or any negative energy, ano bang nararamdaman natin? Mararamdaman din natin yung sakit sa puso. Mararamdaman din natin yung pain and suffering. Pero when we choose love, I'm telling you, unti-unti, marirealize mo, ang laking diferensya pala. Mas malaking diferensya kung mas pipiliin natin ang pagmamahal. Kayo naman, ano naman ang mga upcoming topics that you would want Reiki with Marky to discuss in our upcoming episodes? Leave a comment down below. And sa mga susunod na episodes namin, yan naman ang pag-uusapan natin. And we will all share meaningful tips kung paano naman natin to gagawin. And of course, you know Reiki with Marky, we will always share how to do it better and how we will improve on this. The 5 Reiki principles will always be our anchor kung paano natin magiging patient palalo. Because number 1 Reiki principle natin is just for today, I shall trust. I will trust na every opportunity for us to choose whether love or hate, we trust that we are meant to learn something from it. We trust that we are meant to experience this not because para parusa, but because kailangan lang nating matutunan to see the difference between the two. Ano bang nararamdaman when we submit to hate? Ano din ang mararamdaman if we surrender to anger? Pero anong mararamdaman kung ano naman ang pipiliin natin ay love o ang forgiveness? Malaking ang diferensya. But you have to trust that you have to see and experience both para makapili ka kung anong mas okay para sa'yo. And I'm sure, kapag na-realize mo na kung anong mas maganda, kung anong mas masarap sa puso, mas pipiliin mo na ang kindness and love. Because just for today, I shall work honestly. You have to be honest na, again, easier said than done, pero hindi naman imposible. Na kung hindi natin masyado napipili ito before, if we give ourselves a chance by being honest na yes, mahirap, pero I want to give myself that chance. I want to be honest that I want that change to happen. I want to be honest that I really want a new outcome, a better and a changed person, a new and improved version of yourself. Because that in itself, Reiki principle number 3, just for today, I shall accept all blessing. Blessing yan. Whenever we encounter an opportunity na ang pipiliin natin ay love and kindness over hate and anger, alam mo ba na mas pinagpapala ang mga tao na mas pinipili ang love? Because, sa totoo lang, hindi naman natin alam kung anong pinagdadaanan ng bawat tao. Hindi natin alam kung ano man ang naging rason kung bakit they can easily choose these energies. Pero ang totoo niyan, lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan lang din. And hindi lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan ng mga tao ay pare-pareho o pantay-pantay. Pero ang totoo niyan, no matter how others may perceive it, others may feel it, naramdaman nila yung pain and suffering, and then we also have to honor and respect that. Because tayo din naman, nararamdaman din natin ito. And how does it feel kapag tayo naman na nasa sitwasyon na yon? Because Reiki principle number 4, just for today, I am at peace. Do not think that these people na nakakaramdam din ng mga pagpalaging ang energy that they will always feel is hate, anger, jealousy, envy, or all those negative things. Don't think that these people also sleep soundly at night. Baka nga isang nagiging rason kung bakit nawawalan sila ng pasensya, or they would always choose hate and anger kasi hindi rin nakakapahinga, and ang daming ginagawa sa buhay, and ang daming priorities. So, the more that we become understanding, loving, and very patient with each other, the more that we will all learn na, oo nga, may blessing din pala sa akin kasi nga, hindi ko naman alam na yan ang pinagdadaanan nila. It really allows you to have a bigger heart and to develop a bigger heart towards everybody. And that in itself is truly a blessing. The blessing na hindi natin ini-expect as monetary or kayamanan, or hindi naman ito necessarily pera, pero you developing a kind heart, napakalaking kayamanan nito. And yun ang totoong yaman na pinagyayaman, lalo na alam ni God kung ano din ang deserve natin. And because Reiki principle number 5, just for today, I shall respect all life. But the word respect is really our focus for today. Now, every single time that you honor these people, shower them with respect in spite of and despite of kung ano mang energy ang binigay nila sa iyo. When you learn how to be forgiving and loving and be kind towards others, these people will develop respect towards you rather. And when you do, every single time that they remember that, maaalala nila na pwede pala. There are people na kahit ano man ang pinagdadaanan, they can choose this, and bakit hindi ko rin yun gawin in time? Ikaw pa ang magiging source of inspiration. Ikaw pa ang magiging motivation ng mga tao para in time sila din makaya nila yung ginagawa mo ngayon. And that in itself, you will develop more self-respect. Kasi nga, hindi lahat ng tao kayang-kayang piliin ang love, kindness, and respect. But ikaw, you do, and you give that. And that in itself is an absolute instant celebration and success. Because you can prove to yourself na kahit mahirap, you know how it means to be loving. And you know how it feels in the end. Malaki ang difference. And that is it for our episode for today. If you like our episode, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you have any personal dealings or situations that you may be needing Reiki with Marky's advice and wisdom, naka-flash naman sa screen natin yung email address. Send us an email and we will be happy to assist you in our upcoming episodes. Bibigyan namin kayo ng special episode para ma-address natin yan. And should you wish to honor your identity, we will also respect that kasi ang mahalaga ay matulungan namin kayo. This has been Reiki with Marky, and I'm Marky Mendoza again, na laging nagpapaalala to keep trusting the process. Namaskaram.